So today, you're building your first real decision-making app, a grading system. Here is the full code, and I'm going to walk you through it line by line. First, we created a variable, and then we asked the user for their score using inputs. Then we wrap it in int to turn it to a number. That's a simple conversion from string to integer. Then Python checks the first condition. If the score is 90 or above, it prints A. If not, it moves to the next condition. It checks again, and it continues until one condition matches. If none of these conditions match, else is triggered. A very important detail: condition order matters. If you put the 70 rule at the top, almost every score will give C. Let me show you. So if I change this to 70 and it becomes C, and then this comes to 90 and becomes A. If I run it and I type 90, result is C. Now your task: build your own grading system. Then jump on waala.dev and test your version. Real coders learn by doing. See you tomorrow.